Hello children, how are you? Children, today's our lesson is What are our needs? In part 1, we have learnt that we need water and water is essential for plants. And we have learnt about the containers which we use for storing water. Okay children, from this lesson you will achieve following learning outcomes. You will learn animals also need water, what type of water they should drink, how water gets polluted, infections caused by polluted water, good and clean habits. Okay children? Animals also need water. Here, this is Kishan and this is Madhu. One day, Madhu came to Kishan's house. Who came to Kishan's house? Yes, one day Madhu came to Kishan's house. He found small water containers here and there. What did this Madhu see? Yes, he saw some water containers here and there in Kishan's house. When Kishan poured water into them, hens came and started drinking. Who poured water? Yes, Kishan poured water into the containers. Then hens came and started drinking water. Let's see these hens. Yes, here hens are drinking water. Madhu felt happy on seeing the way hens were drinking water. On seeing this, Madhu felt very happy. What do you understand by this, children? What do you understand? Yes, animals also need water for drinking. As water is essential for plants and us, in the same way the animals also require water. Like us and plants, animals also need water. Okay children? Can you give some examples to show water is essential for animals? Can you give examples by saying water is essential for animals? You discuss with your friends and give some examples. Which animals have you seen drinking water? Have you seen any animal while drinking water, children? What are the other purposes where animals require water other than drinking? Yes, for bathing and cleaning, animals require water. Children, have you seen any animal while drinking water? Yes, now I am going to show you one animal. You observe it. Can you identify this animal, children? Yes, this is buffalo. It's drinking water from borewell. Isn't it, children? I think you have seen many animals drinking water in your village. Do you know, children? Can you identify this animal? Yes, it is camel. Once camel drinks water, it can stay without water for a number of days. Camel lives in desert. It don't get water. So, when water is available, it drinks more water. It can drink about 75 liters of water when water is available. So, it can stay many days without water. Camels can live long periods of time without water. The hump is not used for water storage. The water is stored in the animal's blood stream. This means that water is stored in the blood of camel. Okay children, understood? What type of water we should drink? Can we drink any type of water? No. Madhu and Kishan were playing in the school. Madhu and Kishan were friends. They were playing in the school. Madhu became thirsty. daham. Madhu became thirsty ante daham esindi. He immediately ran and tried to dip the glass into the pot. Madhu immediately ran and he took one glass and he tried to dip that glass into the water pot. Is it correct? No. On seeing this, Kishan advised him not to dip the glass into the water with hands. On seeing this, Kishan said, no, you should not dip the glass into the water with your hands. Why did Kishan ask Madhu not to do that? Why did Kishan said like that? Yes, Madhu's hands are dirty. When he dipped the hands in the water pot, what happens? The water becomes polluted. What happens when we dip glass into the water with hands? Yes, the water becomes dirty. We'll do this experiment. Do the experiment and tell what happened. Kishan brought 2 big glass tumblers. He filled both with water. He asked Madhu to dip his hands into the water of one glass. Madhu did the same. What would have happened? You also do the same. Observe how the color of the water changes when you dip your hands into it. Observe the color of water in the second tumbler. Which tumbler's water became dirty? What did you learn from this? Yes, first tumbler's water is clear and second tumbler's water became dirty. That means Madhu's hands were dirty. What is there in first picture, children? Yes, here these are water containers without lids. Is this water is safe to drink? No, these water containers are without lids. They may polluted with dust. So these water are not safe to drink. Observe the second picture, children. Yes, what is happening here? This girl is dipping her hands into the pot and she is drinking water by touching the mouth. This water is not safe to drink. This is not good habit. Here you observe this. Here one girl is pouring water into the glass with ladle, spoon. So this water is safe for drinking. Here these people are not dipping their hands into water container. So this water is safe to drink. You observe this picture, children. Here one pot is covered with lid. Yes, we can drink this type of water. Here, yes, this bottle with cap is there. You can drink this water. This water is safe to drink. Observe this picture, children. What's happening here? Here, some people are washing clothes. Some boys are bathing here. Here, one man is washing his cattle. Here, 2 men are carrying water with pots. What's happening here? They are polluting the water. Okay, children. What is there in second picture? Yes, here one boy is washing clothes and he is wasting water. Observe this picture, children. What's happening here? Yes, here animals and one boy is defecating here, and one woman washing small baby's clothes. Here one boy is bathing here. Is this water is safe to drink, children? No, this water is polluted, so we can't drink this water. See, you observe this glass, this is contaminated water. What are these? These are microorganisms which are harmful to our body. This water is taken from here, polluted water. Here some microorganisms which cause many diseases to our body. Okay, children? What are the people doing in the pond? What are the people doing? Yes, some people are bathing, some people are carrying water, some people are washing clothes. What happens to the water when they do such things? What happens? Yes, water gets polluted. The water becomes polluted. What happens when we drink this water? What happens when we drink this water? Yes, we will become ill. When the clothes are washed and utensils are cleaned in the pond, more impurities get added to the water. When the clothes are washed, we are washing dirty clothes. So what happens? The dirt will mix into water and that water also becomes dirty. When we are cleaning utensils, what happens? That bacteria will reach the water. Besides this, harmful bacteria will reach the water. When we cleaning utensils, when we washing clothes, what happens? The water gets polluted. We call this dirty and unclean water as polluted water. We call this dirty unclean water. ఇవి అన్క్లీన్ వాటర్ అంటే అపరిశుభ్రమైన నీరు. ఈ డర్టీ వాటర్ ఏమంటారు? పొల్యూటెడ్ వాటర్ అని అంటారు. When we drink this water, our body gets infections and it leads to jaundice, cholera, vomiting, loose motions, etc. When we drink this type of water, when we drink this polluted water, what happens? Infections. Our body gets infections like జాండీస్, కామెర్లు అంటాం కదా, కలరా, వామిటింగ్స్, లూజ్ మోషన్స్, ఇవన్నీ అవుతాయి అన్నమాట. లెట్ us see this picture. Yes, when we drink that polluted water, diarrhea, cholera, typhoid, hookworms, bronchitis, that means this is lungs disease, musculoskeletal diseases, dermatitis, hepatitis E, hepatitis A. All these diseases will attack when we drink that polluted water. Good habits. Why do we need good habits? Why we have to follow these good habits? We get most of the diseases by drinking polluted water. Yes. Hence, we should take some precautions. We are getting most of the diseases by drinking polluted water. So, we have to take some precautions. అంటే ముందు జాగ్రత్తలు. We should have good and clean habits. We should have good habits. What are they? Okay, children, what are those good habits? Let us see. First one, we should take water from the pot with a ladle or garite and pour it into the glass. We have to use ladle when we are taking water from water pot. While drinking water, the glass should not touch our mouth. While drinking water, the glass should not touch our mouth. We should lift it and drink. అంటే వాటర్ని పైకెత్తి తాగాలి. The glass అనేది మనకి నోటికి తాకకూడదు. The treated water which comes from taps and borewells only should drink. We should drink purified water. Filtered water is safe to drink. Filtered and purified water is safe to drink. Plastic water bottles should not be reused. We should not use plastic bottles again and again. The plastic dissolves in the water and the water becomes poisonous. When we use these plastic bottles again and again, what happens? That plastic dissolves, అంటే ప్లాస్టిక్ అనేది నీళ్ళలో కరిగి the water becomes poisonous, అంటే విషపూరితం అవుతుంది. So we should not use plastic bottles again and again. If plastic is to be used, thicker plastic bottles only should be used. If you want to use plastic bottles, thicker plastic bottles, thicker అంటే మందమైన plastic bottles మాత్రమే యూస్ చేయాలి. Okay children, with this we have completed our session. Here I am giving you some homework. You write down, you answer them and show it to your teacher. First question, how do water get polluted? Second one, what type of water should we drink? Third one, write few good and clean habits. Fourth one, what happens when we drink polluted water? Okay children, shall we meet in next class? Thank you.